Actually guys, kami pa lang yung tao dito.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. And take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep.
Nasa cafeteria kami. I'm with Ate Lisa. Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog, and for today's video, it's our second day in Vietnam. Here's the breakfast area guys. So ayan guys, dito kami sa my breakfast buffet. That's it guys. And then I'm gonna show you anong kakain namin. So here's the food guys. We have porridge. Check natin. Then ayan, pwede nyo i-customize guys. And we also have some steamed rice. Oh, iba yung rice nila. Peanut sticky rice. Oh, okay. Then we also have stir-fried rendang noodles. And then we also have grilled pork. Ayun. Ayoko na i-open guys kasi syempre parang fresh. Ayan. We also have stew bean in tomato sauce and steamed corn. And pork sausage. Uy, ito guys. Gusto ko ito ma-try. And also bacon. Oh, we also have pho guys. Ayun. And yung mga something nila. Egg. Pag egg. Ito guys. Yung gusto mo i-try ate na sausage, meron. Not sure if same, pero ay, ito guys. Ito gusto ko. Bread. Ayan. Croissant. We have croissant. And then butter. So that's it guys. So ayan guys, they also have some panna cotta. Ayan. And then some cereals. Then coffee if you like guys. And their juices and water. Then fresh milk and soy milk. And they also have some yogurt if you guys are on a diet, diba? So here's me guys. Wala pa akong ayos guys. Kasi I just woke up. So ayan, basta ko yung buhok ko. And naka-skincare pa lang ako. Actually guys, kami pa lang yung tao dito sa sa breakfast area. As in, kami pa lang. As in, saktong 6. Andito na kami guys. 6 yung open nila up to 9:30 AM. And of course, Filipino tayo. So, palaging on time. Alam yan guys. Pag sinabing 6 nandito na tayo sa breakfast. Siyempre, para masunod din yung binayad natin. So, ayan. Kain tayo guys. So guys, here's some food. Ayun kay Ate Pija. Ayan, tapos kumukuha pa siya din ng food. And here's mine. So ayan, meron na tayong bread. And then ito, pa siyang cake guys. So ayan, may cream. Ito, mini baguette. And then some stir-fried noodles. So ayan, let's try. We're going to Sam's Studio. And that's Ate Pija. Halos na kami. Baka yung food ate. So may mga street food dito guys. So may labas ng hotel na. Hey guys! So pupunta kami ngayon sa Sam's Studio kasi may photoshoot si Ate Pija. Hi ate! Hi! So ayan, punta kami sa studio. Mag-photoshoot siya. Gusto niyo siya guys? makita, kung gusto nyo makita yung pictures niya, follow nyo siya sa Facebook. Pija Cruz. So, ayan. Ito yung One Cam Lake, guys. And by the way, guys, it's Monday. August 3. Cute, guys. Parang Baguio lang.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't.
So, we're at Sam Studio, guys. Ayan. Ayan, Papa. Photo studio si Ate Pija. I'm going to my studio, guys. So, iniwan ko muna si Ate Pija because mag-photo shoot siya. And ako kasi gusto kasi mag-ikot and mag-ikot ng mga cute na shots. So, ayan. Let's go to Merdy's studio. And then after that, pupunta tayo sa Dawan Market. Para mag-asama na ni Ate Pija. So, update ko kayo, guys. Kung outfit for today, guys. Top, skirt, and shoes. Hey guys, so pupunta na tayo sa my Merdy's studio. Ayan, so ano lang siya, guys, maliit lang siya na shop, then may mga stationery, ganun. And ayun, mga cute stuffs lang. So, samahan niyo ko, guys. So, matutunan na pa ako. May na-wait natin si Ate Pija. So, solid date muna tayo for today's video. So, ayun, guys. Sasagrab na ako ngayon. Pupunta there. And I think medyo malayo siya. Baka malapit. Since maliit lang din naman yung place. So, ayun. Update ko na lang kayo, guys. Later, bye.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be.
So, we're here na, guys, at Merdy's Studio. By the way, guys, Merdy's Studio is kailangan nyo pang pumasok sa parang alleyway bago kayo makapunta. So, di nyo siya makikita kaagad. Hey guys, ayun na sa Merdy's Studio tayo ngayon. And look at this. Hello, so, nahihiya ako mag-vlog kasi tahimik. So, magkakapunta siya na. If you guys visit Merdy's Studio, make sure, guys, na pumunta pa kayo dito sa may second store sa loob mismo ng store nila kasi nandun yung mga stuffed toys and mga other bags nila. Like this one, ito. Binili ko to, guys, kasi ang cute-cute niya and meron siyang keychain na rin. So, ayan. Let's get this bag, guys. As you can see, guys, meron ako mosquito bites and nakuha ko yan kahapon dun sa my train street. OMG. So, kaya kayo, guys, magdala kayo ng mga off lotion if ever pumunta kayo ng Hanoi. Kaya natin siya sa basket, guys.
There's a lot of cute stuffs here guys sa my Merdy Studio, especially yung mga Hello Kitty na stuffed toys and meron din silang mga stationery. So if napapansin nyo guys, kinat ko yung voice ko sa original video kasi may background music ni Justin Bieber. So while I was browsing this keychain section guys, hindi ko alam kung bibilin ko siya, pero I still ended up getting this keychain because if you guys didn't know, mahilig ako sa color blue. Plus, it's Hello Kitty guys, and nag-iisa na lang siya. Then, I also got yung stuffed toy kanina na color blue na kasame
Cute,
niya.
guys. Puro Miffy na keychain. Ayan. 89,000 dong siya, guys. Ayan. Ang cute. Ayan.
So, here's everything I got guys, and let's pay na guys. All of this guys cost me around 800,000 plus VND. And actually guys, for its quality guys, is super worth it na niya. Tsaka, original guys, yung mga Sanrio and Miffy na nabili natin. Actually guys, si Romeo yung bumili sa akin ng Hello Kitty na keychain and stuffed toy. So, thank you, love, love!
Hey guys, so I stopped by Bali Cycle. So naglalakad lang ako and then papunta na kay ate. Bumili lang ako ng inumin dito guys kasi mahal na ako. Hey guys. Hey guys. Let's wait na lang guys sa Grab natin. Kasi medyo pannoon time na, pa lunch time. So medyo busy na yung roads. Ayan. So, pabalik na ako guys sa studio para kitain ulit si Ate Pija. And then, punta kami sa Dongwon Market. So, ayan guys. Try natin yung strawberry. Hey guys. So, nag-cancel ako kanina ng Grab. And ngayon nasa Grab na ako. Pabalik na ako kay Ate Pija. Hindi mo na scared guys. Para medyo anti kasi yun yung araw. Medyo paulan na. So, ayun, medyo natakot ako na makancel ako ng Grab. Doon ako pinag. Anyways, ayun nga, papunta tayo kay Ate Pija. Then after nun, punta tayo sa my market. Hopefully, meron na doon bank. Or if not, doon na lang ako siguro talaga sa Adi Bank. So, yun lang guys. Update lang guys. And, update na.
Take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home.
Parking. Ito na kaagad yung lote. Lotte Hotel.
So, we're here at Lotte Department Store, guys. So, it has like 5 or 6 floors. Then, bawat floor, guys, meron siyang mga kainan. And then, ayan, para talaga siya yung sa Korea na department store na Lotte. Kasi, literal na department store talaga siya, guys, sa pagpasok nyo. And then, may mga kainan lang. Hindi nyo siya kagad makikita. Unlike netong nasa pinaka-tuktok, like yung sa 6th floor. So, yung mga nasa lower floor, guys, kailangan nyo muna ikutin yung buong department store para makita nyo yung mga kainan. So, ayan, we're just walking and finding the resto na kakainan namin ni ate, which is, ayun nga, nasa 3rd floor pala siya, guys. chicken
something.
yeah, something.
Chicken something
Chicken
guys.
roasted.
Hindi din namin alam. Ito, hindi ko din alam kung ano. Pero fried rice siya. Na green. Na green.
Ang daming rice pala. Iba ang yung stuff siguro. Parang may fried. Ewan ko yung fried.
It's good guys. Matcha.
Mà cái này tao thấy đẩy cái xe ra đi cái này.
How much is it?
103,000 baht. It's
Mm.
about 240 pesos.
How many? 10 pieces? Oh wow, okay.
So, since wala ako mahanap na VP Bank, guys, I decided na dito na lang mag-withdraw sa may Shinhan Bank. Though meron siyang withdrawal fee na 50,000 dong, guys.
Ito yung money nila.
So, here's an outside look, guys, of the Lotte building or department store. Now, we're going to Baguio Street, guys. So, ayun yung isang hilera ng puro clothes and shoes or bags, katulad sa may Ho Chi Minh. Pero this one is sa may Hanoi naman. Malapit lang din siya, guys, sa may One Kiem Lake and sa may Old Quarter. So, if you guys are in that area, pwede nyo siyang puntahan if gusto nyo mamili ng mga clothes. So, from Lotte Department Store, guys, hanggang Baguio Street, it will take us around 15 or 20 minutes, ganun. Pero guys, alam nyo, napakamura ng Grab dito, guys. As in, yung flat rate dito is around 33,000, 30,000, or pinaka-lowest na yung 29,000 dong. So, for our Grab, guys, from Lotte Department to Baguio Street is nasa 59,000 dong lang siya.
Hey guys, so nasa Uniqlo ako guys. So may bathroom ko na Uniqlo, yung isang building. So nakadito guys. So if gusto mo mag-shop sa Uniqlo, dito kayo. Okay. Sa kalaki guys. Cute. Hey guys, so nasa bathroom ko kami. Ito pala yung pupuntahan ko ate. Moji. Mga cute stuffs lang. Hey guys, nasa Moji kami. Yung gusto kong puntahan kanina. So ayan, mga stationery ulit. Squishy. Charot. Lahat na lang squishy. Hot Wheels. Something. Hello, me. Ano meron? Ay, blushy ate yung. For corner. Kasi na. Oh, ang dami pa dito. Ano pala? Tumblers. And stuffs. Ayan. Tayo pala dito guys. Mayroon siyang second floor. Ningal ako guys. So ayan. And may mga bags. Pencil case. Cute ng bags. Hala guys. May ganito sa Awesome. Pero si ito. Pero hindi siya bag. Kala ko bag. Char. Cute. Ito na guys, yung bathroom.
Hey guys, so nag-walk lang kami sa taxi. And papunta kami ngayon sa better shoes.
Magtatanggal kayo ng shoes. Okay. 550 daw guys. So, Kaya Club guys.
Hey guys, so nasa Cara Club kami ni ate. Ganda dito guys, parang Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills. Just start. Madami yung price range ate. Mga mura guys. Mura. So, tingin na kami dito guys.
Ayan. Ganda dito guys. Ang chic. Ang chic! 3 floors siya guys. So, meron sa baba and right now, nasa second floor ako. Then yung third floor doon. So, ang ganda guys. Super ganda dito. Ito yung napili ko. Cute lang. Kasi yung ibang designs is ganito. Parang, wala, may mga print. Ayan. Which is hindi ko kasi siya bet. Ayan.
So yun guys, ito yung napili ko. Very black and ano lang. So ayun, ikot pa tayo.
Walking nga ate.
Hey guys, so nag-walk lang kami ni ate dito. Nakabili kami sa Cara Club. Ganda guys, ang ganda ng quality doon. Bumili si ate ng dress. So ayun, kung gusto niyo ulit makita ang pics niya sa ating dress, follow niyo siya sa Facebook and TikTok. Andito yung name niya. Galing pa siyang photoshoot. Yeah. So, naglalakad lang kami guys.
I'm just walking guys. Punta sa Thank you. I'm just walking guys. So, tingnan nabili natin.
Pagod na ako guys. So, pabalik na tayo sa ating dito. Alam mo ba, wala pang kakain ng dinner. Ayan, balik na tayo sa atin.
Another tip pala guys, if you guys are going to Bathurst Street nang naka-grab, is ipin nyo na lang yung better shoes para hindi na masyadong mahaba yung lakarin nyo. So now guys, we're heading to Cafe Giang or Cafe Giang. I really don't know guys how to pronounce it, pero nung mayroon ako napanood na Vietnamese, ganun nyo siya i-pronounce, Cafe Giang. Cafe Giang? Parang ganun. So, fun fact guys, if you guys didn't know, Cafe Giang or Cafe Giang, dun nag-originate yung egg coffee. Before daw kasi guys, nagkaroon ng shortage ng milk, so they decided na maging alternative na lang yung egg coffee as a creamer. So, this is the walkway, guys, papunta sa loob ng cafe. And huwag kayo mas-scared, guys. Medyo sketchy lang siya, pero tama yung daanan nyo. Madami nagkakamali dito, pero may second floor pa naman.
Hey guys! So, nasa cafe Liang kami. I'm with Ate Huda. Hi! So, pakita ko sa inyo guys yung menu nila. Kasi, dito guys nag-start yung egg coffee. So, gusto namin marka yung authentic talaga. So, ito guys yung menu nila. So, meron sila ng original na egg coffee. Meron din sila ng egg, chocolate, and other egg. Anything with egg. Tapos, meron din yan, yung Vietnamese coffee, then tea and cocoa, soda, juice, yogurt, and yan, yung mga water. So, ito yung labas namin, guys. May rickshaw. Ang kulit. Ayan. May kita niyo kung paano sila mag-away. Ay. Hi, guys. So, ito yung in-order ko. Egg cocoa na ice. Ayan siya, guys. Nasa siyang icing or yung merengue na candy. Ganun. Okay lang. Okay lang. Sorry guys, hindi ako food vlogger. So, authentic lang yung mga authentic. Try nyo dito guys. If gusto nyo ng something na, nasabi nyo talagang from Vietnam.
Kailangan ko siya i-mix.
Ihalo.
Kasi parang,
Para mas lasa.
hindi, dark coffee yung pinaka.
Okay.
Diba kinain ko hindi?
Hi guys! So, nag-order ako ng hot
Hot.
naman. So, kanina, kinain ko yung pataas, yung egg. So, sweet. Sabi ko, okay lang siya. Pero pagkakuha ko ng gano'n, dark coffee pala siya. So, yeah.
Hi.
So, alam niyo na dapat i-mix.
Yan guys, order namin.
Kaya kailangan i-mix. Ayun.
Happy ako dito.
Sa bed.
Ano nga sila?
Pagod na guys. Parang masaya. Masaya naman. Madami kami nabili and masarap naman yung yung egg. Sabi ko sana egg coffee. Hindi egg coffee in order guys. Egg cocoa. Egg chocolate, parang gano'n. Okay lang. Sakto lang. Parang for experience lang gano'n. Yun lang. Yun lang yung update ko. Tapos mamaya good night. Charot. So, naglalakad kami guys, papuntang Circle K. Lalakad lang. Hindi ko alam kung kita kami. Buwan na kami guys. Bayad lang kami ng wait. Tayo dito guys. Pagod na pero gutom, so bye-bye. Ang food. Close na yung ibang shops guys. Dito kapag 10 na or 9:30 gano'n, nag-close na yung mga shops. Ayan guys, may burger and something.